Now I'm going to ask you to do some sobriety exercises.
Okay, I can't do whatever you're going to pull out with your flashlight. I can't do that with my eye. I can't.
Why not?
I just had a corneal transplant.
Okay.
Like, what do you not understand?
So are you refusing to do? There's more than just the eye.
No, there's not.
Okay.
You cannot do that.
You can just go to jail.
No, I'm not going to jail. Ow! Stop! I'm not going to jail. Stop!
Stop.
On February 16, 2025, a Lake City officer in Columbia County, Florida, stopped a driver doing 78 in a 45 zone. The stop produced 2 charges and 1 critical evidentiary gap.
How's it going?
Good.
Great. My name's Officer. Is there a reason you're driving way over the posted speed limit?
I honestly have no idea where I'm at.
So you're drunk.
No. I'm not. At all. I live in Tampa.
Okay, so the speed limit back there is 45. I was doing 80 and I wasn't even catching up to you. You were gone.
Oh, really?
Yes. So right now I'm going to ask you to step out of the vehicle. Do you have a driver's license? Registration and proof of insurance?
Yes, I do.
And you clearly smell of alcohol. Driver's license. Registration, proof of insurance. Thought we had a 1031 going on. Clocked her at 50, I flipped around and all of a sudden she bolted. Yeah, I've asked you for your registration, proof of insurance.
How did I bolt?
Because when I turned around, you were doing 50 mile an hour when I turned around, and then you were gone. Straight up just gone.
Well, honestly, I don't live here. I live in Tampa, so I don't know where. Like,
And you're slurring your speech. You smell of alcohol. Step out of the vehicle. Ma'am, I'm not going to ask you again. You're going to step out of the vehicle or I'm going to take you out of this vehicle. Walk back to the car. What's going on? What are you guys doing? You guys are driving way over the speed limit.
I'm not driving.
I know you're not. What's that in your hand?
They're bottles of lotion, I guess I got out here.
Alrighty. I've asked for the registration proof of insurance like 3 times. Okay. So where are you guys heading to?
I'm headed to my parents' house off of Alligator Lake.
Where y'all come from? Alligator Lake is way over there.
I know. But I just had corneal transplant in my eye, so it's really hard for me to see through this left eye. So
that doesn't. If you can't drive at night, you shouldn't be driving at night.
I know.
I'm happy to send a letter to the DMV to take away your license. If you can't drive at night, you should not be driving.
I know, but I can't help my situation.
So you smell of alcohol. Straight up, just gonna be blunt and honest.
I was at a bar with
Well, I can tell.
him.
I can absolutely tell. I initially clocked you at 50 mile an hour. And when I turned around, you were gone.
I have no idea.
My car was recording, and I was doing 80 miles an hour trying to catch you.
I'm so sorry because I have no idea.
So it doesn't matter at this point. So now I'm going to ask you to do some sobriety exercises.
The stop and exit order are constitutionally settled, Delaware v. Pruce and Pennsylvania v. Mims, respectively. 5 documented impairment indicators establish probable cause for DUI under Florida Statute Section 316.193. Under Berkemer v. McCarty, 1984, every roadside admission, including the driver's acknowledgement of being at a bar, is fully admissible without Miranda warnings. The driver's corneal transplant objection is valid, but only for the horizontal gaze nystagmus test, One of 3 NHTSA validated exercises, walk and turn and one-leg stand, require no eye stimulus. Extending a narrow medical exemption to the full battery does not constitute a lawful refusal, and under Florida law, that refusal is itself admissible as evidence of impairment.
Okay, I can't do whatever you're going to pull out with your flashlight. I can't do that with my eye. I can't.
Why not?
I just had a corneal transplant. Like,
Okay.
what do you not understand?
So are you refusing to? There's more than just the eye.
No, there's not. You cannot do that.
You can just go to jail.
No, I'm not going to jail. Ow! Stop! I'm not going to jail. Stop!
Stop.
Stop! Are you kidding me? Stop! Stop! I won't do it. What?
Put your arms back.
Do anything. Stop!
Just relax.
I just said to look my eye.
And I said there's more exercises in your eyes. And you said no. Clearly.
No, I won't
Don't move
do
your
it.
arms.
I won't do it. I will do whatever you want.
Just calm down.
Just relax for a second.
Relax. Right now you're in this position because you want to be.
No, I don't. I won't cooperate. I'm just saying I can't do anything with my eyes
slurring your
with flashlight.
And I said there's more
I'm
exercises.
not slurring.
And I said there's more exercises,
Okay, and I will do
but you
them.
just told me no.
No, I said I will do them.
You just
But
told me no.
No,
It's
I
recorded
said
right
I
here.
can't. No, I cannot do anything with flashlight. I said
Stop.
Tell me your situation.
What's my situation?
this is ridiculous.
What?
This is ridiculous.
Because she's resisting.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. I said I cannot do anything with my eyes in a
can go back in the car.
flashlight. I just had a corneal transplant. Like, are you out of your f***ing mind?
And, ma'am, you said that, and I said, okay.
No.
I
And I said
understand that.
I would
And then
say
I said
I
there's
would
more
do everything.
And then
I would
said
do
there's more
everything.
exercises.
I said I would do it, and now you slam into my f***ing car?
Well, we tried to put you in handcuffs out here.
Why?
You didn't. Because you said no.
No, I said I
said
will
no.
do everything I will, but I cannot do anything with flashlights to my eyeballs.
And I said there's more exercises.
Okay, and I
no.
said I would do it.
We're
Now,
not arguing
no.
about this.
I said I would do it.
All
And
right,
now
so-
you're having handcuffs. Please take me out.
No.
Please.
No. You need to calm down.
This is so f***ing bizarre.
So, let's look at me. Ma'am,
I mean, I'll do anything. Like, why?
so calm down and take a deep breath, all right?
Okay, but like, I'm just telling you, I can't do anything with
And I
flashlights in
understand
my
that. You
eyes.
explained that to me, and I said, okay.
And
there's
I
more
said I will
exercises.
do that.
Hold on. I said there's more exercises.
And
you
I said I would do that.
No, you said no.
No, I said I would
You said-
do that. I would
clearly
say
you said
no. No, I said a no to flashlights to my eyeballs because it is gonna hurt my eyeballs.
Okay, and I understand
It's gonna
that.
be a deterioration.
So, at this time, I'm requesting a voluntary breath sample. It's 100% up to you. Ma'am, I'm talking to you. If you don't want to talk to me, you're just going to go to jail. Get charged with the DUI refusal if you don't want to talk. Are you going to talk?
You already read your implied?
No, not yet.
Yeah, no, dude, that hasn't done shit. You guys have done your job.
So listen to what he said.
So I'm trying
He's
to
not
ask
really
you.
asked me anything, but
I just
slamming
asked-
against my car.
I just asked you.
Are you gonna do any fucking damage to my
There's no
car?
damage to your car. I just asked you, will you give a voluntary breath sample? It's yes or no. It's 100% up to you.
Why? When you guys are just being straight.
I didn't come here to take you to jail. That's not.
Yeah, pretty much
No,
you did.
that's not at all why I came
All I
here.
want to do is go back to my house. That is not even
Can I explain something to you?
what.
So he's already explained to you that you're doing 80 something.
I have no idea. I'm not from around here.
You were doing 80 something in the 45. Okay. So that's the first issue. Okay. You are slurring your words. Your eyes are bloodshot.
How do you know my eyes are bloodshot? I have one contact in my eye and one contact not in my eye.
Are you going to finish?
No, you cannot say that my eyes are bloodshot because...
Let me read her implied consent quick. So,
Listen to him.
you gotta look at me. Ma'am.
No, I'm good. Read whatever you have to say.
No, so you're gonna look at me while I do this?
No.
Absolutely. Or you'll have a resisting charge on top of a DUI.
Okay,
You want to keep tracking him
go on, baby.
All right.
Over here, go on. Whatever you feel is needed.
I'm now requesting that you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining its alcohol content and or the presence of chemical or controlled substances. I'm requesting you submit to a test of breath. Will you take this test? Yes or no?
No.
Okay. If you refuse to take the test I've requested of you, your driving privilege will be suspended for a period of 1 year for a first refusal, or 18 months if your driving privilege has been previously suspended for refusing to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood. Additionally, if you refuse to take the test I've requested of you, and if your driving privilege has been previously suspended for refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood, you will be committing
a
misdemeanor in addition to another penalties which can be imposed. Do you understand what I've just read to you?
Yes, I do.
Do you still refuse to submit to the test?
Can you undo this and I'll do a breathalyzer?
Do you still refuse to submit to the test? Yes or no?
No, I'll do one, but will you undo
the breathalyzer is at the jail.
At the jail?
Yes, we don't have breathalyzers in our car.
Can you just please let me go home?
No, you're drunk. I'm not letting you drive drunk.
So I'll take an Uber.
You said you're going to Alligator Lake, which is where you're in Lake City. We don't have Ubers, hardly ever.
No, you do.
Hardly ever.
I guarantee you do. What?
Do you guys mind transporting? Do you guys mind transporting? I got the kilos.
Yeah, that's fine.
What's his name?
I'll talk to you about it.
Okay.
Do you have any about 15 minutes? Alright, let's walk over here real quick.
Ow! This should hurt.
Hey, stop pulling away then.
Ow! You
Just
did
listen.
that. You did that. That was all f***ing you.
You're just
Ow!
really drunk.
I'm not f***ing drunk.
Non-compliance during handcuffing triggered Florida Statute Section 843.22, resisting without violence. The statute requires no physical aggression. Active non-compliance with lawful restraint is sufficient. Under Grant v. Connor, all three force factors favor the officer. Florida's implied consent law, Section 316.1932, deems every driver to have consented to chemical testing by accepting the driving privilege. The officer read the advisement correctly. However, when the driver offered to comply after initially refusing, the officer's reply, "Nope, okay," before pivoting to refusal consequences, is a viable suppression argument. Defense will contend consent was given and overridden. Officer B. Stop, exit order, SFST request and advisement were legally sound, deducted for ambiguous implied consent exchange and the absence of a verbal warning before handcuffing. Subject D+. A valid narrow objection broadened into blanket refusal generated a second charge that was entirely avoidable. Department B. Sound enforcement process. 1 precision gap in the implied consent sequence. 3 takeaways. Know the scope of your objection. A targeted medical exemption is a legal defense. A blanket refusal is a criminal charge. Precision at the implied consent question is evidentiary infrastructure, not formality. And compliance is not agreement. Non-compliance only adds exposure. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.